Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today we're diving into my favorite makeup style, soft glam. Soft glam is all about enhancing your natural beauty with a touch of elegance and glow, never heavy or overdone. It's versatile enough for any occasion, from coffee dates to special events. We'll use soft, neutral colors and gentle shimmers to create a radiant, polished look. Whether you're new to makeup or a pro, this step-by-step guide will help you master the look. Grab your brushes, put on your favorite music, and let's create something beautiful together. Ready? Let's begin our journey into soft glam. Before makeup, great skin prep is key. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil. Pat your skin dry, no harsh rubbing. Apply a moisturizer suited to your skin type for a smooth, hydrated base. Once absorbed, use a primer to blur pores and help makeup last. Choose a mattifying primer for oily skin or a hydrating one for extra glow. Apply a pea-sized amount, focusing on your T-zone. Let it set for a minute. This simple prep makes a huge difference for a flawless finish. Now your skin is ready for makeup. With your skin freshly prepped and hydrated, it's time to lay the foundation for a flawless, natural-looking base. This step is all about enhancing your skin's natural beauty while creating a smooth, even canvas for the rest of your makeup. Start by choosing a foundation with a natural or satin finish that perfectly matches your skin tone. Take your time to test a few shades along your jawline to find the one that disappears seamlessly into your skin. Apply your foundation using a damp beauty sponge for a seamless, airbrushed effect. Remember to bounce the sponge gently over your skin, rather than dragging it, to avoid streaks and maintain a natural texture. Don't forget to blend the foundation down your neck and along your jawline. This step is crucial to avoid any harsh lines or obvious color differences between your face and neck. Next, reach for a concealer that's 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. Apply it under your eyes to brighten dark circles, and dab it onto any blemishes or areas that need a little extra coverage. Blend the concealer gently with your fingertip or a small sponge, focusing on patting motions to keep the coverage in place and achieve a bright, lifted look. To lock everything in, set your base with a light dusting of translucent powder. Focus especially on oily areas like your T-zone and under the eyes to prevent creasing and shine throughout the day. This step helps keep your base looking fresh, smooth, and crease-free, so your makeup lasts longer and looks flawless from morning to night. The goal is to achieve a soft, velvety finish that feels comfortable and looks natural, not heavy or cakey. Remember, your skin should still look like skin, just a little more radiant even and confident, ready for the next steps in your makeup routine. When it comes to soft glam, your eyes are the true stars of the show. It's time to make them pop, gently, yet unmistakably. The right eye makeup can transform your entire look, adding depth, dimension, and a touch of magic without ever feeling overdone. Start by priming your lids with a thin layer of concealer, blending it out evenly to create a smooth, flawless canvas. Set it with a touch of translucent powder to prevent creasing and help your eyeshadow last all day. Next, sweep a matte taupe or soft brown shade into your crease using a fluffy brush. This step adds subtle definition and creates the illusion of deeper, more expressive eyes. Blend well to keep the look soft and diffused. For a touch of radiance, gently pat a champagne or rose gold shimmer onto the center of your lids. This catches the light beautifully, giving your eyes a dreamy, luminous glow that's perfect for both day and night. Take a pencil brush and dip it into a deeper brown shadow. Softly line your upper lash line and the outer third of your lower lash line. This technique subtly enhances your eye shape, making your lashes look fuller and your eyes more defined, without any harsh lines. Blend everything together with a clean brush for a seamless, smoky effect. The key is to keep the edges soft and diffused, so the colors melt into each other for that signature soft glam finish. Finish your eye look with a couple of coats of your favorite mascara. Wiggle the brush from root to tip to separate and lift each lash, creating full, fluttery lashes that open up your eyes and complete the look. Remember, the secret to soft glam is keeping everything blended and seamless. No harsh lines or stark contrasts. Take your time to blend, and your eyes will look effortlessly polished. With just a few simple steps, you can make your eyes appear bigger, brighter, and more awake. This look is universally flattering and works for any occasion, from a casual brunch to a special evening out. Soft glam is all about subtle impact, elevating your natural beauty with a touch of elegance and grace. Let your eyes do the talking and watch as they captivate everyone around you. Let's add warmth and glow to your face, creating a look that's both fresh and naturally radiant. Cheeks are the heart of a healthy complexion, and with the right techniques, you can bring out your best features while keeping everything soft and seamless. Start by lightly sweeping a matte bronzer along your temples, under your cheekbones, and along your jawline. Use a gentle hand and a fluffy brush, moving in a 3 shape on each side of your face for subtle, natural-looking sculpting that adds dimension without harshness. For a sun-kissed touch, dust a bit of bronzer across the bridge of your nose. This little detail mimics the way the sun naturally warms your skin, giving you a healthy, outdoorsy glow. Next, choose a peachy or rosy blush and apply it to the apples of your cheeks. Smile gently to find the right spot, then blend the color upward and outward toward your temples. This technique lifts your features and creates a youthful, fresh effect. Remember, it's always best to start light with blush. You can always add more if you want a stronger pop of color, but it's harder to take away. For that radiant, lit-from-within look, tap a fine, champagne highlighter onto the high points of your face. Cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, Cupid's bow, and just under your brow bone. This catches the light beautifully and adds a soft, luminous sheen. Blend everything well, using gentle circular motions, so there are no visible edges. The goal is a natural, dewy finish that looks like your skin, only better. Aim for soft, seamless color and a healthy, believable glow that enhances your features without overpowering them. Avoid harsh lines. Your makeup should melt into your skin, creating effortless radiance that looks beautiful in any light. When you're done, your complexion should look fresh, luminous, and full of life, like you've just come in from a brisk walk on a sunny day. Time for lips. Keep them soft, healthy, and polished. Exfoliate gently, then apply nourishing lip balm for a smooth, supple base. Outline your lips with a liner close to your natural shade for definition. For fullness, slightly overline the Cupid's bow and the center of your bottom lip. Fill in with a creamy nude, pink, or peachy mauve lipstick for a natural finish. Blot, then dab a touch of gloss in the center for extra plumpness and shine. The result: a hydrated, elegant pout that completes your look. Simple, soft, and beautiful. Last step, lock in your masterpiece. Mist your face with a dewy setting spray, holding the bottle 8 to 10 inches away. Spritz in an X and T motion for even coverage. Let it air dry. This melds all the layers together for a natural finish. Setting spray keeps your makeup fresh and comfortable all day. Take a moment to admire your soft glam look. Remember, makeup is about self-expression and confidence. Wear your look proudly and shine. Thanks for getting ready with me.